Yeah, hello. So my name is Dr. Jawad Alzeer. So I would like to continue with those videos in order to clarify the concept of entropy, particularly for students when they study chemistry, physics, and hopefully also for medicine. And slowly I'm connecting this concept to medicine because really this is very important concept for well-being as well. Um, so today I would like really to give the general perspective about our metabolic process. So we talked about catabolic reaction, and in general, so catabolic reaction in the body we have a macromolecules, which is a large molecule, it could be DNA or proteins, and usually those molecules are broken down into many small molecules, which called micromolecules. So in this case, we increase the number of small molecules, and that's because we increase the number of micromolecules. So we increase the, the possibility of having more arrangements, which also reflect increasing the number of microstates. Uh, in turn, it increased the disorder, which is also translated into increased to entropy. So this is how you can correlate this entropy, disorder, microstates, and the number of small molecules, which could be present in any type of orientation, especially because when those molecules are so small, so they can vibrate more often, and they can have different conformations and so on. Now, increasing the entropy in our body, this is a problem because it creates a stress, and if it is kept for a longer time, then our body will be prone for getting disease, because this is disorder. That's true. And then, of course, the body has a unique mechanism how to deal with these stress in the body. So those molecules have usually small molecules have the two options. Either they are removed out of the body as a waste product. In this case, they are removed like small molecules, carbon dioxide, water, ammonia, urea, uric acid, and so on. Or they are reused as a building block to generate macromolecules. Now, this is because we are building a molecule. This is called anabolic process. And the molecule which we build, usually it is highly ordered, well organized, well defined, and therefore it is really rich in information and in function, and overall it is rich in potential. So what to summarize, so in catabolic process we break down molecules, we increase entropy, and we release heat, and this process is spontaneous. Whereas the reverse process, which is catabolic, it is non-spontaneous. It requires or it needs energy and usually utilize the ATP, which is released during the catabolic reaction. And then we go against entropy, and therefore we build molecule which is highly ordered. So in this case, the entropy is negative, and the overall delta G will be positive. So it's a challenge, and that's why this reaction is really not spontaneous. But it is essential to keep this anabolic process active. Otherwise, catabolic process will dominate. So in the next video, I will talk a little bit in more detail about the relationship between the anabolic and the catabolic reactions, and the relation of those reactions with regard to the aging process.